Hello there, welcome to our company channel. My name is John. I'm the Business Development Manager working at Xin Tian Jian Precision Manufacture .co Limited. My role at the company is to develop new business opportunity and also bridge the prospective customer and our technical team to overcome any obstacles they might have in communications and other work related issues. This channel is all about to present you our company value, our vision, our team, and also demonstrate to you our passion to bring your concept or prototype into life. And also sometimes we might share the latest trend or technology news within our industry. To begin with our presentation, I would like to tell you a little bit background about our company. Xin Tian Jian Precision Manufacture was founded by our current company owner, Mr. Jian Hongyu, back in 2005. Just like many startup companies, Xin Tian Jian Precision Manufacture was started in a very small workshop with a few machines and a very small team. But after 17 years of rapid development, Xin Tian Jian has become an ISO certified manufacturer and one service provider that specializes in rapid prototyping, SLS, SLA 3D industrial printing, vacuum casting, sheet metal fabrications, rapid injection molding, plastic injection molding, die casting, plastic injection molding, low and high volume manufacturing. Our services are covering 5 major industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical, consumer electronic, and military. Today we have 2 CNC processing manufacturers, both located in Guangdong, and 1 sales and technical support center. With 258 employees and 20 plus technical engineering, all equipped with the abundance of state-of-the-art machines import from Germany, Switzerland, and Japan. We can guarantee our products to meet your impossible tolerance and your lead time. The passion for innovation, cost effectiveness, high quality control, and fast delivery is the foundation of our success. Our technical team, with full energy, has developed deep and rich experience with our previous project, so we can produce any complex parts across any industries. So we have served more than 5,000 customers across the world. So if you're ever looking for a solution to reduce your costs, or to bring your product into market fast, or if you ever don't get any satisfaction with your current supplier, please feel free to give us your RFQ. We will get back to you with a quotation within the 24 hours.